Make your food be your medicine, your food. Blend up your carrot with the lettuce in a juice.
Good morning or good night, wherever you are. Welcome to my first video and also welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you how I prepare fried ripe plantain. So the first step is to remove the plantain from the skin, and you want to go ahead and cut the top. You're just gonna draw a line through the middle and then cut the bottom. Alright. Go ahead, I'm gonna cut it in the middle, and then I'm gonna go ahead and run the knife through. I like to cut it in a circular motion, so you can go ahead and choose whatever way you would like to cut it, whatever works for you. You don't want to fry them for more than about 3 minutes. So you want to go ahead and check them as they come brown around the edges. Then you know that it's ready to be turned. So this one is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and turn them. In Jamaica, fried plantain along with fried eggs and bread is listed in the top breakfast meals. Comment down below and let me know what is your favorite Jamaican breakfast. And there you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see next. And until next time, take care.